Does progress lie in tapping the untouched resources of this earth? Or does it lie, furthermore, in tapping the byproducts of progress? The unwanted, the unseemly, modified, worked upon, made cherished, priceless. The use of masterful engineering to convert wastewater into a valuable resource, an income-generating resource. That is the wonder of the water treatment plant at Bhandewadi. This has not only been designed, but commissioned, constructed, and is assiduously operated and maintained by SMS Limited. This unique, state-of-the-art and fully automated sewage reuse plant is one of the largest in India. It spreads over a sprawling 12.5 acres. It takes in 130 mld of sewage water from the Nag River. The water is cleaned as per the quality standards of a thermal power station. The plant houses a range of structures and equipments that work like clockwork. It has been so designed by SMS Limited so that this may stand tall as an exemplar of efficient functioning, as a global benchmark in the field of environmental engineering. Water from the Nag River is brought through pipelines into the intake structure. Here, floating materials up to sizes of 6 mm is removed by fine screens. After primary cleaning, the water is sent to the primary clarifiers for partially removing BOD and TSS. Hydraulic retention time of 30 minutes is given for settling. The primary cleaned sewage water is now subjected to secondary treatment. The water now flows to 8 CTEC basins for aerobic digestion of biological impurities. This takes place in the presence of oxygen supplied by the 24 blowers. There is sequential filling and aeration, sedimentation and decantation. After secondary cleaning, the water is subjected to the next stage of purification. The meticulous tertiary treatment is one of the unique features of this plant. The treated water is transferred to the pumping sump by rising chambers. 8 pumps are used to transfer this water to Koradi, approximately 18 kilometers from Bhandewadi. It is used for cooling and in the ash handling system. Thus, such is the design of each process that the water is not just rendered safe to be released into water bodies. It is cleansed enough to be reused. The water helps generate revenue for NMC through its sale to Mahagenco. Supply of treated water to thermal plants ensures saving of fresh water for drinking and other household purposes. With this ingenious project, SMS Limited has taken a monumental leap towards meeting the ever-increasing water demands in our country. For the brilliance of complex technology lies in its power to simplify, its power to solve.